So the project that I was working on recently to do with the town council, obviously they went from being an on-premise solution to the cloud, and there were various different risks involved with that, and people at the council were expressing these opinions, that they were worried about losing data and how this was going to affect the security of their information and various other bits.
Yeah, it was it was quite interesting to see how they had all their information in one place for 7 years. Maybe longer, and so it was nice to be able to take that storage, that kind of historical platform, and then move it to somewhere that wasn't kind of a single point of failure. It was quite nice to be able to again, so move it in the cloud. Then with moving it into the cloud came additional benefits. So then we were anti-spam, for instance, maybe some sort of SaaS backup to be able to get their data protected clearly. And it was quite nice then to be able to bring it all together in kind of under one umbrella, which was then easy to administer.
Yeah, I mean, also just like you said, the fact that it was the same information stored in the same place for 7 years, you get a chance to actually look at all that data and get an opportunity to start tidying some of it up. You know, archiving things that aren't needed anymore, sort of restructuring the file system just so that it's something, you know, a fresh start, sort of new, and makes a little more sense to what their use case is.
Cool. So what was the end user experience like, out of interest, once they'd gone fully cloud?
So I think most users had an initial point where they were struggling a little bit with understanding of where their data was actually being stored. I think one of the best ways to explain it to them is that obviously they've gone from having a server that's within their building that they're accessing to a server that's outside of the building and being hosted somewhere in a data center. The essential, you know, structure and the way that it works is fundamentally the same. It's just instead of going to here, you're going to outside of your establishment to get access to your information.
Okay.